Welcome learners for the lecture 21 of mathematical method, that is MSc second year of a semester third. Okay, let us go started as an example depending on the convolutional theorem. In a previous video or the previous lecture, we discussing all the two example that will be both are depending on the convolutional theorem. Let us go finite as well as infinite of the sine and cosine transform. Then this example will be started, that is a example third and fourth. Okay, let us go started as an example. That is a function of a sine form t e to the power minus half of a t square xi will be considered. Then formula will be changes to the form. We know that the function, that is the function of a sine f of t xi equals to, what is the formula of this form? Square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity f of t sine xi t dt will be generated. Okay, this will be the form. Put up what is f of t? F of t of the function, that is a f of s, considering to the form of a f of t, put up to the value integration 0 to infinity t e to the power minus 1 by 2 t square sine xi t. Okay, generated value equals to I. First step of both of this equation, only formula will be changing as a cos and sine form. That is, first step is a equals to I, equation first. Okay, then I equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity minus t e to the power dxi upon dt, for considering to the value of a equation. Then differentiated to the value of this function. Okay, differentiating to the value of a half for generating to the equation. Then minus sign is considering as a common, square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus 1 by 2 t square sine xi t dt will be generated. Then integrated by the part I equals to minus square root of a 2 by pi, for integrating to the part same as a cos form, for u into v, integration of a u into v rule will be applied. Then after that, putting to the limit of this equation, first of all put in the infinity, and after that put up to the value of a 0. Upper limit first of put, after that lower limit will be considered. Minus square root of a 2 by pi, limit extends to infinity sine xi t e to the power minus 1 by 2 t square, minus second will be put it as a 0. Both of these infinity considered as a sine 0 and sine 0 is a 0. This will be cancelling to the form, only generated as a minus square root of a 2 by pi 0 minus this constant value will be generating. Then this minus sign of a xi will be generated, minus minus plus xi square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus 1 by 2 t square cos xi t dt will be generated. After that, this value is a f of c will be generated for the second equation. But we know that to the equation f of c to the power minus a square t square xi equals to 1 upon a square root of a 2 e to the power minus xi square by 4. Yeah, this is the first example will be considering. Then put a square equals to 1 by 2 and a equals to 1 upon square root 2. Then put up to the value of this equation. Then function of the f of cosine e to the power minus t square by 2 xi equals to 2 by 2 e to the power minus 2 by xi square by 4 will be considered. From equation 2, I equals to e to the power minus xi square by 2 will considering to the form, for equation will be putting to the value, both of this cancelling to the form. E into e minus xi square by 2 into xi square by 2 of this equation. Hence it will be first value will be considering this form. Hence proof of the left hand side equals to right hand side for generating to the value of the equation. Okay, function of a sine form they will be generated. Let us go next example. Example 4. The temperature uxt in the semi-finite road is determined by delta u upon delta t equals to k delta square u upon delta x square. 0 is less than or equals to x is less than or equals to infinity with condition. The condition will be depending. First condition will be considering to the form, that is the first condition u equals to 0 where n is greater than 0. Second condition delta u upon delta x equals to u where x equals to 0, and third condition delta u upon delta x equals to 0 as x tends to infinity determine the temperature u. Okay, then let us go started as a solution of this equation. Same as a form, it is not a different example, same will be considering to the form. How to solve to the example? Okay, we given has a value delta u upon delta x, that is a x equals to 0 equals to considering as a value. Hence, we apply to the infinite Fourier cosine form. Then the given differential function delta u upon delta x equals to k delta square upon delta x square, they considering as a given to the example. Okay, differential equation, apply Fourier cosine transform on the both of the side of this equation. Then function of a cosine f of t equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity f of t cos z t dt. Then value will be put up of this equation, that is the square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity. First value will be put it, that is the delta u upon delta x cos xi x dx. You know that to the equation of the form, that is the left hand side equals to right hand side, k will be putting all this value delta square upon delta. This value of a delta upon delta t will be generated to the value square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u is considering this form cos xi x dx equals to same as a value will be generated. Then delta upon delta t equals to this equation called as a cosine form of a u equals to k, both of this same condition where square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u cos xi x dx equals to u of the cosine. This is considered as a equation third. Okay, put up this value. Then now applying the integral of the part second by using to the condition del by delta t u c equals to k square root of a 2 by pi. This will be using as a u into v for the equation. You will be considering same as a we will be considering to the form. Then k equals to square root of a 2 by pi. First limit will be put up, that is a limit x tends to infinity, and second is a 0 will be put up to the equation, that will be generating plus this is a as it is minus minus considering as a plus form as it is. Then you know that this equation is a 0 and cos 0 is considered as a 1, del u upon del x x equals to 0 plus xi equals to this value will be generated. Okay, this is formula will be generated. Then delta upon delta t uc equals to k square root of a 2 by pi minus u plus xi equation will be given. Then again integrated by the part of this equation and generating to the condition, that is a del by delta t uc equals to k square root of a 2 by pi minus u is a constant plus xi limit xi tends to infinity sin xi x 0 to infinity minus integration 0 to infinity cos xi x u dx will be generated. This is also solvable to the equation equals to k square root of a 2 by pi minus u plus xi limit xi tends to infinity sin xi x u will be generated this value for getting minus sin u x equals to 0 minus xi square considering to the value integration 0 to infinity cos xi x u dx will be generated. Same as a solve to the equation for a limit is considering as a 0 as well as a sin is considering sin 0 is a 0. Both of these equation will be generated equals to k square root of a 2 by pi minus u plus xi considering as a 0. Then same as a considering to the equation, then value will be put of first value will be generated, that is a minus u k square root of a 2 by pi minus same as a k into xi square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity cos xi x u dx. Then del by delta t uc equals to minus ku square root of a 2 by pi minus k xi square root of a 2 by pi. This is value is generated by the uc. Okay, this will be generating. Then del by delta t uc plus k, next value will be considering comparing with the delta by delta t v plus pv equals to p for using as a equation 4. Then put p equals to k xi square and q equals to minus ku. Then first order of the differential equation will be formed, that is a function of this value equals to e to the power integration p dt equals to e to the power integration k xi square dt. solve to this value for the dt only generated as a t e to the power k xi square t will be generated. Then the solution of a equation 4 is generating v into integral function equals to integration will be generated to the value of this equation and considering to the form of this equation. Then divide to the form of the equation, that is a uc equals to minus u xi square root of a 2 by pi is generating to the value of the equation for applying to the rule of this equation and generated to the part for value will be generating. Then finding to the a, given that u equals to 0 at t equals to 0, then put t equals to 0 in equation 5. uc equals to minus u xi square root of a 2 by pi plus a e to the power 0. You know that e to the power 0 is considered as a 1. Then put up to the value of this equation uc equals to minus u considering square root of a 2 by pi xi square plus a. A is a constant form, they generated as a value, but c bar generated as a value, that is the square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u x t cos z t. Put t equals to 0, then equation will be generated x to t equals to 0 value will be, means uc equals to 0 will be considered by g considering as a u b x 0. Then from equation 6 and 7 value will be generated, 0 equals to minus u, this value will be generated, and a equals to, this is plus value will be considering. Then put equation 5 uc dash means cosine of this form equals to minus u upon xi square root of a 2 by pi plus u square root of a 2 by pi xi square e to the power minus k xi square by t. This is the equation will be generating. This equation next will be formed, that is a inverse Fourier cosine transform for equation will be generating. Put up this value and solving to the equation of the form f of c minus x u c star equals to f of c minus 1 considering to the form that will be generated to the value uc star. Then put up value, this side will be generated this value and this side, this is a constant form, all of this common to the equation uc u xi square will be considering to the multiply of that side, cos will be considering to the form minus 1. Okay, means u x t equals to 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity u by xi square e to the power minus k xi square by t minus 1 cos xi x dx. This is the equation will be generated to the value. Okay.